Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Monday wherever you are around the world. Speaking about Monday, we're seeing the market absolutely doing literally exactly what we spoke about yesterday. If you watch my updates yesterday, I was projecting that, if Bitcoin, is able to close at a certain level, the daily candle, which I did yesterday, I was expecting $43,000 once again. And exactly that is what's happening right now with the entire market. And as far as Solana is concerned, it's up 6.1%. Absolutely amazing to see. But let's take it a step further. Of course, we know that, this week is extremely exciting week for the Solana ecosystem. So we're going to be talking about what exactly is next. And once again, thank you to each and every one of you guys for showing so much support. Literally yesterday, it was just nothing but love that you guys showed me. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys for taking your time and showing love. I love you all. But if we're looking at the price of Solana today, $101.17. So we are back above that psychological price point, which is $100 plus. So you can see this for yourself. We're back above $100. And, the haters that were hating on Solana just prior, just a few days back when we were seeing that massive bloodbath, which of course impacted Sol as well. These exact people I'm sure are kicking themselves because they're seeing the price of Solana going back above $100, and you snooze, you lose, right? And it's also up 3.6% in BTC comparative, with the market cap currently sitting above $44 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $2.6 billion. Absolutely amazing to see, of course. But before we go any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So, looking at some news regarding Jupiter. So what you're looking at right now is, Jupiter pre-market volume surpasses $14 million on Whales market, currently selling at 73 cents. So basically what this is, people that are eligible for the airdrop, they are selling their tokens, on the pre-market. You are eligible to do that, of course, if you are, eligible for the actual airdrop. So right now, the current price sitting at is 73 cents. So people want to purchase Jupiter at 73 cents. And that just shows you the amount of interest there really is, based off of what we're seeing here right now. And I'm projecting that Jupiter will open above $1. Of course, the price will be impacted by, the weak hands, paper handing, their overall Jupiter allocation. But, the people that actually see the potential, which I pretty much spoke about before, I think this coin is going to do numbers, in the long run as well as in the short run. So I'm very excited about this. I'm sure everyone is. And this is going to bring benefit not just to Jupiter itself, to so many other SPL tokens, because like I said, this is going to inject massive amount of liquidity into the Solana ecosystem. And speaking about Solana, this is exactly what you want to be seeing happening for the price right before this launch happens, for this highly anticipated airdrop, arguably the biggest airdrop in my opinion for the Solana ecosystem in terms of liquidity injection. So what we're seeing happening with Sol, exactly like I said, what we spoke about, I was talking about, if we're able to break out of that same exact resistance where we were at $94, I was saying, if we're able to break out of this resistance, we're going to see the price of Solana retest the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. And that's exactly what you're seeing happening with BTC. And look what happened with Bitcoin. Literally look what happened with Bitcoin. Remember how we closed the daily candle yesterday above the support line, which of course used to be a resistance as we were breaking towards the upside, but we did close the daily candle above the support, which has caused the price of Bitcoin pushing back towards the upside. Exactly something I talked about yesterday, and so far that is coming to life right now, which is really exciting to say the least. Would love to see the price of Bitcoin pushing back into the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. That would be lovely to see, because we haven't seen the price of Bitcoin into the 38.2 Fib zone since this initial drop, which was on the 12th. So that would be lovely to reclaim, and I think that is going to impact the entire market. But now, as far as Solana is concerned, look at this beauty. This is pure beauty right here. So what we're seeing happening is As of recording this update, Sol is retesting the 61.8 level, and this exactly was our target. Literally was our target that I was speaking about. Of course, on the 18th we got rejected out of there, and of course we did see the entire market see a pullback, and Sol fell down to $79. I was thinking $80, but $79 did come, $79.09. So I could pretty much say the target that I was aiming for was met. But if we're looking at Sol from there, like if you were dollar cost averaging in Solana at the $79.10, guess what? You're instantly up about 28.4%, and that is just in a matter of a few days. About 6 days, you're up 30% for a project that is in the top 5 cryptocurrency market rankings, and that just speaks for itself. This is one of the top projects. This is not a small project in like the top 200s or in the low 100s. Guess what? This is a project in terms of its overall size. It's considered one of the big boys, and you can pretty much see this for yourself. The top 5th ranking in the cryptocurrency market ranks, and pulling a 30% gain is really, really impressive. And now, what I would love to see Solana do is if it's able to actually push back into the 61.8. Of course, we're finding a resistance around here. Of course, this is not a surprise to me at all. But the fact that we did retest this is lovely to see. What I would love for Solana to do right now is actually close into the 61.8, and if it's able to break into the $108.22 before the Jupiter airdrop, I think this is going to be lovely to see. We could potentially even see a new yearly high. In order for us to retest that resistance, which we're not been able to get back above since the beginning of the year, that's only a move of about 6.7%. So what you want to be praying right now for is Bitcoin to get back into the 38.2, and I am having that gut feeling that Solana's price is going to start retesting the $108 mark prior to the Jupiter airdrop, because like I said, people are starting to realize the potential this Jupiter airdrop has for Solana itself, and that is really exciting. So we're going to take it one step at a time. Cannot wait, guys. The countdown has started at this point. We're literally a few days away for this airdrop to happen, and I cannot be more excited. Let me know down below what you guys think is going to happen for overall Solana's price, and of course, what is your overall strategy if you were eligible for the Solana airdrop. I'm sorry, not the Solana airdrop, I wish. I mean the Jupiter airdrop. Let me know down below, of course. But yeah, thank you to each and every one of you guys. Like, I cannot thank you enough. Yesterday's update, the amount of love that I received is just overwhelming, and it just makes my day. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys for taking your time out. I love each and every one of you. Continue supporting, continue sharing, guys. Sharing does not take too long. If you found this video helpful, if you enjoy my content, just hit that like button. It helps the algorithm, and of course, motivates me to keep pushing out these updates for you guys. But yeah, that is it for today's update. I love each and every one of you guys once again, and we'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.